So guys, do you want to learn how I was able to do that? Keep watching, because in this video I'm going to show you from the beginning to the end how I was able to do that. Now, first of all, you have to film an empty background. Secondly, you film yourself jumping up and holding your leg in the air. Then before you drop, you come down. Do you understand? We are going to experiment it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. So if you want to learn how I was able to do that, keep watching, because I'm going to show you from the very beginning to the end. Ready? Let's go. The very first thing you need to do, we are going to do 2 separate videos. The very first thing you need to do is this: film an empty background like this. You can film it for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, as the case may be. Even though the background is not long, you can always freeze it and extend it. That is not an issue. So guys, when you are done filming the empty background, you cut the video and you do another one. This time around, I'm going to be jumping up, and then I will try as much as possible to hold my leg here, so that, because I need that part. Do you understand? I'm going to hold my leg and then just watch. I'm going to try this. So guys, just watch and see. So I'm going to jump. Did you see that? Let me do it again. This is what you need to do before you drop. I did it. So guys, that is all you need to do. And after that, the next thing to do is to head over to Capcut and do the final editing. Are you ready? Let's go there. I got you. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to click on the Capcut app, then click on new project, then click on the empty background. So this is the empty background. I'm just going to silence it. We don't need the sound. So this is it, and this empty background is not long enough. All we are going to do is we are going to freeze it so that we make it longer. So click on the empty background and then swipe to the right hand side and look for freeze. Click on freeze, then you can now extend it and it will be very long. So that is one thing you can do to make your empty background longer. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on overlay, then click on add overlay, and then click on the video where I was about jumping up and holding my leg. I'll click on it and then I'll click on add. So don't forget to always resize, please. Very important. Resize. Fit to screen. Okay. So guys, this is what we have. Now, you know this particular part I am looking for, that part where I was holding my leg. So that is where I'm looking for. So how do you do that? Just swipe to your right hand side. This is where I'm looking for, guys. This is it. So I'm going to split it from here. I'm going to split it from here and then long press on this one. Long press on it and then move it backwards. Just move it. Later you will need it. Move it backwards and then come back here. Come back to the place I was holding my leg. This is it. So you come back here. Click on it. Make sure this white line is at the very end. It's at the very end like this. So you click on it and then you swipe to the right hand side and search for freeze. So this is the freeze. We are going to make it longer. Guys, can you see this? So just make it longer. It depends on your choice. How long you want the fan to roll. How long you want to roll. So guys, this is it. And then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove the background of this place I freeze. Do you understand? We are going to remove the background. Please, we are not touching this first one here. We are removing this background, this side. We are removing the background here. So click on it and then swipe to the right hand side and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG and then click on auto remover. Click on it and the background will soon remove. So background remove. Did you see that? So guys, we are done with this part. So the next thing we are going to do is this. We are going to click on this freeze part again. Click on it, bring this white line to the very beginning and click on keyframe. Click on keyframe. Click on it, and after clicking on it, swipe to your right hand side and search for transform. This is transform. Click on transform and then move this video a bit and click on rotate. rotate, so it will rotate to the other side. Then you move the video a bit and click on rotate, so it will rotate again. Move the video again and click on rotate, it will rotate. Move it again a bit and click on rotate. Move the video again and click on rotate, so it will automatically add keyframe for you. So you move the video again and click on rotate, move again and click on rotate. So this is what you will do throughout the video, and as you can see, it's already rotating. You just be clicking on it and click on rotate, just like this, and then click on rotate, move and click on rotate, move and click on rotate. And that is what you will need to do till the end of the video. It depends on how long you want it to be. Depends on how long you want it to be. So this is it. So if you want to end the video, please make sure it's ending like this, not like this. Please make sure the last keyframe you are adding, the video is ending like this. You will soon know why. So that if case you want to come down, you're not going to come down like this now. You're not going to come down like this. You're going to come down like this. So just make sure it ends like this. And then, so guys, remember the other part that we shifted the other time. So we are going to move it. So how do you do that? You long press on it and then move, just move it close to that other one there. So we are going to, yes, this is it. So you long press on it and you move it to be closer, very close. So guys, this is it. And then for the background, we are still going to make it equal with the video. So I'll just click on it and we are going to review this now. Let me play it. So guys, this is it. Guys, I hope you understood everything I explained in this video. It is very easy. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So this is it. You can always increase the speed. All you need to do is to export it to your phone, then import it back to Capcut and then do your editing. You can increase the speed from there, but the way it is, like, you cannot increase the speed. So guys, this is it for this video. Did you see it? That's why I said the last keyframe you will add, please let your video be like this so you can easily drop. Did you see that? So guys, I hope you understood this. If you did, please let me know. This is it for this video. This is it. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, why don't you help me share this video? Please kindly help me share, because there are other people that also love to see it. Share, like, subscribe, comment. Support me guys, support me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.